How do you get dressed with ease? Here's a tip. Join the wardrobe challenge. It started today, but it's not too late. How can joining a wardrobe challenge help you get dressed with ease? Ultimately, getting dressed with ease is just a matter of making powerful decisions in advance. So much so that getting dressed is a no-brainer. You have done this before. Anytime you have gone on a trip of any length, you have packed intentionally into your bag clothes that fit, clothes that you love, clothes that you're excited to wear on your vacation. So taking that powerful knowledge into your closet every season sets you up for success to get dressed with ease every day. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves one season at a time. Is this work worth it? Absolutely. I get dressed with zero drama every day. I can pack in 5 minutes for a trip of any length because I have done the work in advance. I want this for you. I personally believe every woman deserves to love her body, her clothes, her closet. It takes a little bit of work though, and I am here to help you. So it's not too late. Join the wardrobe challenge and let's work together to get this done. One season at a time. See you soon.